Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we will be working with the Twitter bot that we have created a few days back. If you haven't checked out that video yet, I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can find that video. At this moment, this bot is retweeting some of the tweets based on some of the search terms, basically as we have provided like 100 days of code programming life. So this bot will be searching these hashtags and then they will be retweeting some of the recent tweets. But alongside that, what we want to do is like the retweets that we are making, we want to favorite them as well. That means we want to like them. So this was the part where it was retweeted. So after this part, let's put some code so that we can favorite those of tweets that has been retweeted. So let's get into it. If not tweet dot favorited, let's go for a try block and tweet dot favorite. That will be it. We can print tweet favorited successfully. And as I said before, it's a good practice to make the code go to sleep for a few moments. So we will just sleep for 10 seconds. That's about it. So let's go for the accept block. Accept exception as E. We will print E. So basically that's about it. That's the code. As you can see that there are 378 tweets right now. So let's start the program. Let's fire up the terminal and the virtual environment has been activated automatically. So let's start with Python retweet.py. Remember, there were 378 tweets. So it says successfully logged in. Then it has retweeted successfully. Now it's waiting for 10 seconds so that it can favorite. Then tweet has favorited successfully. So now if you see, there are 378 tweets. If I refresh, it becomes 379 tweets. So this is the retweet that I have made and it has been favorited. So basically that's about it. I'll just close the terminal. So that's about it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Be sure to like this video, share it with your community, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done yet. So I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, goodbye.